Did you want to make your text dance across the screen in DaVinci Resolve? I will show you how to do it step by step. Very easy, very quick. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create ourselves a new composition. So we're going to create the composition and we're going to bring that down to our timeline. And with that selected, we're going to go into our Fusion page. And once there, you can see that we only have our media out. We're going to bring a text plus node down, and we're going to take the text node and hook it to the media out. From there, we're going to go over to our text box, and we're going to type in whatever it is that we want to have in there. We can change our font. We can change our font color. And with that, we are now going to go to the layout tab. Once in the layout tab, we are going to select point and we're going to change it to path. And with that change to path, we're going to actually zoom out and we're going to actually create a path, and this will follow that path. With all the points selected, we are now going to check all of the points and we're going to smooth them out by clicking the smooth button here. And with that smooth out all the points, we're going to take our timeline and make sure that it's at 0. We're going to create a keyframe where you want the text to start. In this case, we want it just a little off screen. We're going to create a keyframe there and we're going to go about 90. So we're going to just type in 90, enter, and then we're going to take our text and we're going to take it off screen on the other side and create a keyframe. Now, if we were to play this back, it's going to then move the text across the screen. If we go back to our timeline and we play this, we can then see that our text is now going across the screen in the path that we created.